Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a hedgehog. I'm going to be drawing on an iPad just in hopes that it will be a little bit easier for you to see. Alright, so all you'll need is a piece of paper, a pencil, eraser, and we will get started. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I want to start above the bottom of my page. I want to start with the head. I'm going to start with a wavy line, just like so. Wavy line. And then I'm going to take the top where I stopped and I'm going to round it down. So I've got this is going to be his head shape where he's looking up. Okay, so I'm going to make this shape. Then I'm going to curve this out and bring it around. Okay, so if I were to look at it in circles, it would look like a snowman. So I'd have a medium circle and then a larger circle. And then I've got this sort of triangle shape off to the side. Okay, so on the tip of that triangle, we're going to fill it in with a small little triangle shaped nose right on the tip. Okay, and then we're going to add the eye. And so the eye is going to be up here. Nice big round circle. I'm going to leave a smaller circle inside. And that'll be for the eye. And then the mouth, I'm just going to put right here on the side. Just a little smile. Okay. The arm is going to be below the head. And it's going to be a sideways U. Let me just do that again. There we go. Sideways U. I'll put 2 little dashes to make space for his hand. And then, right where the eye is, I'm going to go diagonal to the side. And I'm going to make a C for his ear. And I'm even going to make a smaller C that's inside to show a little dimension. Alright, so we've got most of him done as far as his body shape. Now we get to start adding his prickly pines. And the way I do that is I make short, fast strokes with my pencil. Do you see that? I'm just filling it in and slowly moving my pencil in different directions. And you'll start to see that I've got the first layer of quills. Now I'm going to keep on doing that, and I'm going to keep building it out until I got him about the size that I want. And don't worry if the quills are overlapping or they're going in totally different directions. That's actually going to be just fine. Alright, so go ahead and fill up your porcupine's quills. You can even put some up front. Alright, so I've got the quills all done. Now I'm going to start adding a couple of details to the bottom. I'm going to add his feet. So starting at the bottom, I'm going to make a round U, oval shape. And then I'll probably make another one over to the side. I'm going to have this guy's other arm come out from the side. So I basically made a U and then I curled it in. I'm going to put 2 little dashes there. And then inside of the space of the hand, I'm going to make a straight line going out. And on the end of that straight line, I'm going to make what looks like more of those prickly pines. But really it's going to be a dandelion, which are those really fluffy looking flowers that you can blow and make a wish on. So these are dandelions, and these strokes are also really good if you want to make like fireworks. They work really well as fireworks. All right, and there it is. There's our little hedgehog with a dandelion. All right, guys, I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this new way of drawing. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye, guys.